aplauso pa' mami y papi, porque en verdad rompieron.
Nope, that was not it. Hello, everyone. Yeah, I had a brain freeze moment there. If I was starting in Spanish or in English, or now we have this fun thing called Catalan, where I don't even know how you start. Hola a todos y todas. It's Delia here. Like, it looks like French, but kind of like Spanish, but it sounds like Portuguese. Like, I don't understand. We're trying here. Bon dia a tots y totes. Soc la Delia y benvinguts a la segunda parte de Delia a España. There we go. There's that Catalan. What else do I need to do? I need to get my eyes tested because TBH I can't really see right now. So, funny story that's not so funny. I've actually recorded this video like 3 times, and I thought I had it this last take, and I went to go watch it, and the entire audio was silent because I didn't turn on the microphone, which is café omelette, which is café con leche or coffee with milk. Absolutely so excited to be heading to Spain tomorrow, like in 24 hours. A little over than that, because my flight is at like 5 o'clock, and it's currently 8:56 in the morning, and I'm already packed, so I'm just like sitting here just waiting. I'm gonna be exhausted. So what am I gonna do? Actually, I haven't really worked this out. So what I'm bringing to Spain, this time is a little different, because I'm staying in an apartment, and I'm with 2 other girls from Princeton, and we're gonna be cooking and doing all that fun stuff, so I have stuff to bring when you have your own apartment. Is Tupperware. And yes, they do sell Tupperware in Spain. You know, we'll go to Mercadona, we'll sort it all out, it'll be okay. And then Si us plau, which is por favor or please. And for those of you that are unfamiliar with this plug, let me tell you something. As a 1-year electrical engineering student, is how electricity works. So in the United States, our power typically functions on 120 volts. However, in Spain, in Europe more broadly, they use 240. So that's like the big plugs you see in America. So, for example, your washing machine or oven functions on 240 volts. That's why it has a big plug. And then we'll do a Mercadona haul. It'll be very fun. We're going to get a lot of Fanta, or as we say in Spain, Fanta. And, oh my god, I'm going to be saying that again. But I have ice cube trays, because in Spain, when you want an ice cube, it's this big. I'm sorry, more like this. Very big. Versus in the United States, an ice cube is probably this big. So when you ask for a café con leche, but you want some ice with it, you want like an iced coffee, what that means is a hot coffee in one little mug, and then a little glass with one giant ice cube in it, where you pour the hot coffee into the glass with the ice cube, which, let me tell you, really sucks. And if you want to know how much Duolingo I've done, probably about 3 days worth. Honestly, going to Spain is the worst part of the entire thing, because by the end of my freshman year, like, I would drink coffee occasionally. Like, maybe it was final season, I'm trying to power through, we had a coffee, but I didn't really like it, and it had to have a lot of sugar in it. Then I went to Spain, and I was so jet lagged, and we had Princeton, Spain just like schedules you like 24 hours a day that first few days, and I was just so tired. And my host mom was like, Delia, ¿quieres un café? And I was like, yes. Every time she asked, I was like, yes. Familiar with and have your phone dead, because there goes your directions. So, bring a phone charger. One of the most important things you can bring. The other, second most important thing that you're going to bring is a sweatshirt. And you're like, Delia. Someone asked me the other day, Delia, is Spain hot? Yes, Spain is very, very hot. And there's not a lot of air conditioning in places. Extremely hot. Very hot. Hot, hot, hot. Lots of hot. But also, when it's May and it's nighttime, it is very, very cold. So, if you go somewhere like the Puy de Fou, I think that's how you say it, at night, and it's dark out, you're gonna be cold. So bring a sweatshirt. Because, once again, you will be cold. Bring a sweatshirt. It's 8 a.m., and you're absolutely exhausted, and you can't go to Dunkin' Donuts. So, when you see pictures of Spain, it's not raining. Well, when it rains in Spain, it rains, and it floods, and it's like a tornado, or a hurricane happens, and there's a lot of water. So, bring a raincoat for when that one day happens, so you're prepared. You can see I'm very excited. It's 9 o'clock a.m. and I am recording this video so I can get this blog published because I am just so excited. Yes, so between now and Spain, here's what's going to happen. I'll give you the rundown. I'm going to wash that Tupperware because it's very dirty and apparently has mold on it, and we don't want that. I'm getting a haircut in an hour, so next time you see me, I'll be back to my summer length, which is probably going to be around here. This is my winter length. I haven't cut it since, I think, January, so it'll be fun. I'm going to go to Dunkin' tomorrow morning. Oh, I have to go to Walmart. I have to go to Walmart, get some snacks for the plane. I'm going to go to Dunkin' tomorrow morning, and then we're going to the airport at 2:30. It's going to be very fun. Adios. Or, as we say in Barcelona, adeu.